So let's start things off with a very good day, Gina. So plain old fruit platters, they are so last year. So get ready to take strawberries to the next level, whether they're covered in chocolate or shaped like roses. These decorated strawberries work for apps or desserts, and they're even sweeter than they look. Here's our partners at Better Homes and Gardens with some fruitful ideas.
There are so many fun things you can do with strawberries. For strawberry roses, insert a skewer into the stem end of the strawberry. Cut down about 1 inch from the base of the berry until almost through. Offset each row to stagger the petals. Pull back the petal to make it really stick out. You can also use mint leaves on the bottom for a fun touch. Moving on to cheesecake stuffed strawberries. Make a cream cheese filling on the side with softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, and lemon juice. Slice the tops and bottoms off of the strawberries so they stand up, and also cut out the center portion. Then, using a piping bag, squeeze the cheesecake mixture into each strawberry. Finally, add your desired toppings. Now for some sports-themed strawberry fun. You can use melted white chocolate, milk chocolate, or orange candy coating. After you dip them, let them dry. Then grab the melted white chocolate and pipe to make the berries look like footballs. Use the melted milk chocolate to create a design that looks like a basketball. And finally, grab red royal icing and pipe on the white chocolate covered strawberries to look just like baseballs. These are perfect for any sports lover. Now for yogurt strawberries. Dip strawberries in your favorite Greek yogurt flavors. Freeze them for 1 to 2 hours until they're firm. Pull them out and dip again. Top with granola and freeze again for 1 to 2 hours. Serve on a cute tray. And finally, for strawberry hearts, cut in half and put a skewer through 2 to make a heart shape. Chill until they set. Pour melted milk chocolate on top and let them dry completely.
Yeah, I think if you make any of those, you're definitely going to win Thursday here. But you can add toppings to take things to the next level. And of course, those chocolate-covered strawberries can't get any sweeter. My favorite is rolling them in crushed Oreos.
Ooh.
You can get more information, just go to bhg.com.